We're here on the grid in London. This incredible indoor-outdoor track. Pit lane, start-finish grid here indoors though, with this incredible packed full house here in London today. We qualified on pole position with Mitch, but a 5-place grid penalty from Rome means we start in P6 with Mitch, and Sam is 9th. A long race ahead for round 15 of the ABB FIA Formula E World Championship. This is an important race to score championship points, to take the championship right down to the wire tomorrow. We're looking forward to it, we can't wait. So here goes 45 minutes of racing.
Oh, we are ready to go. 5 lights on then. Round 15 of the ABB FIA Formula E World Championship is underway. Evans is coming, there we go. On the inside of Dennis. Into turn 19 and turn 20, it'll be Mitch Evans who wins round 15 of the ABB FIA Formula E World Championship.
So we came into the penultimate round needing a bit of luck, but also delivering a brilliant race. And that's exactly what we've had. Pole position for Mitch, executing to an incredible race win. Sam coming through to P5. It brings our team's championship back alive. Couldn't be more proud of the team. We're in this and we're definitely not giving up.